Marketing is often misconceived solely as a vehicle for sales. However, its true essence lies in creating value and building enduring relationships.
This perspective shifts the focus from the product to the customer, highlighting the importance of understanding and responding to their needs.
At its core, marketing is about connections. It's an intricate dance between business and consumer, where each step is about understanding and responding to market demands. They must delve into the customer's world, experiencing their challenges and aspirations firsthand.
By viewing marketing through this lens, businesses can transform their strategies from transactional to relational, paving the way for greater engagement and growth. The first step in effective marketing is understanding the marketplace and the diverse needs of potential customers.
Marketers need to stay abreast of market trends, economic shifts, and cultural dynamics that influence consumer decisions.
Segmentation plays a crucial role here. By dividing the market into distinct groups based on similar needs, businesses can tailor their offerings more precisely.
This targeted approach enhances the relevance of the products and increases the efficacy of marketing communications.
Today's marketers have tools like social media and customer feedback platforms, providing real-time insights into customer sentiments.
Utilizing these tools allows businesses to stay dynamic and responsive, adjusting their strategies to meet evolving customer expectations.
Understanding customer needs is a continuous process. Businesses that consistently engage in this ongoing dialogue remain relevant and competitive. After understanding customer needs, the next step is designing marketing strategies that resonate on a deeper level.
It's not just about offering a product. It's about framing these offerings in ways that speak directly to the customer's experiences.
Creating customer personas can be immensely helpful in this process.
They help marketers visualize the target audience, anticipate their reactions, and design messages that engage and convert.
Storytelling is another powerful tool in the marketer's arsenal.
This not only makes the product memorable, but also helps in building a strong emotional attachment between the brand and the consumer.
In an ever-changing market landscape, the ability to adapt and tweak strategies in response to feedback is invaluable. This agility can make the difference between a strategy that is good and one that is truly great. Managing customer relationships is the cornerstone of long-term business success.
Effective relationship management is built on trust and mutual respect, cultivated through consistent and honest communication.
CRM systems help businesses manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle.
Personalization is another key element. Personalized communication makes customers feel valued and understood.
Engaging customers doesn't end with a sale. Post-purchase services like customer support and loyalty programs keep customers engaged.
This sustained interaction boosts customer satisfaction and encourages them to become brand advocates.
By leveraging CRM systems and personalization, businesses can enhance customer service, improve retention, and drive sales growth. This approach fosters loyalty and advocacy, crucial for long-term success. The digital landscape has revolutionized traditional marketing practices, offering new tools and platforms to reach and engage customers.
Data analytics has become a critical component of digital marketing, providing valuable insights that drive more informed decisions.
This data-centric approach allows marketers to fine-tune their campaigns and improve their return on investment significantly.
The online environment is highly competitive, with numerous businesses vying for attention. Marketers need to be innovative and agile.
Privacy and data security are additional concerns in the digital age. With increasing regulations like GDPR, businesses must be meticulous in how they collect, use, and protect customer data.
This responsibility is crucial not only for legal compliance, but also for maintaining customer trust.
The digital realm offers immense opportunities, but it requires a strategic and responsible approach to succeed. As we look to the future, the importance of marketing and contemporary business practices cannot be overstated. It is a pivotal bridge between a business and its customers, essential for building value and nurturing long-term relationships. The rapid evolution of the digital landscape means that marketers must continually learn and adapt. Staying informed about new technologies and understanding changing consumer preferences are critical for modern marketers. Moreover, the shift towards more ethical marketing practices is becoming evident. Consumers value transparency, sustainability, and corporate responsibility. Marketers who align their strategies with these evolving consumer values will not only succeed, but will lead the change.